Hi, Helen from Music and Movement here again. It's the carousel. It's the tin of fun. Only got 5 left. I was supposed to have 3 every time, but I got excited earlier on and we had 4 one day. So we'll have to make 2 last for one day instead. Okay, what do we have? Our first one, obstacle course. Now, this one is one to do in the home or in the garden, but it's just making some activities fun, getting children to be as physically active as possible. As I said in one of my other videos, the recommendations are that children receive 3 hours of physical activity, that including in that is 60 minutes of MVPA, that's moderate to vigorous physical activity every day. So be aware of that. If your children are at home, just be aware of their physical activity levels, because research indicates that outside of term time, children's physical activity levels decline. So please just keep that in mind. An obstacle course. So what can we do? We can have a blanket on the floor where they have to crawl underneath. We can have a pillowcase where they stand inside and have to jump. We could have the egg and spoon race, as we spoke about before. We could have a wheelbarrow race where somebody's walking on their hands and somebody else is holding their feet. We could have that they have to balance a teddy on their heads. Different activities for an obstacle course. Okay, next one is target practice. Target practice. This one's a good one to do with one of the other activities I had before, which is screwing up a piece of paper or a magazine and screwing it right up, and then just using one hand. And then once we've got it screwed up, then opening it up. But we can screw it up again and then draw a target using chalk on the wall or a picture, and getting children to try and aim and hit that target. We can also use elastic bands, using elastic bands to try and ping, really good for dexterity. So target practice. What's inside is the last one. Now for this one, what I would recommend is either using a shoebox or a pillowcase and putting some items inside, and then blindfolding your children, and obviously explain to them what's going to happen first, either using a scarf or a small towel, and seeing if they can guess what's inside. So this is a really good one for exploring the senses. So there's our 3 for today. We've got target practice, obstacle course, and what's inside. Okay, have lots of fun. Until soon. Bye.